Our short phrase and sentence for you today is ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya, which means I love you. I love you. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. You can respond by saying etu a ka ọ dị, same with me, but we have other options. You can say imeela maka nke ahụ. Imeela maka nke ahụ, which means thanks for that. We gave you other options to broaden your knowledge of Igbo language. Please pay attention to the color of each word because they are meant to give you their unique meanings to help you understand the structure of Igbo language so that you can write if you will, and then go out there to practice this with anybody around you. Tell your wife, ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Tell your husband, ahụrụ m gị n'anya. And then expect a response like imeela maka nke ahụ. Thanks for that. And as you do, please remember, it's important that you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss our next upload. Also, like and comment so that it can help others to discover this and guide us to serve you better. God bless you. See you in the next video.